Meet the Haven Tent, one of the best hammocks for sleeping outdoors. It's designed to give you a great night's sleep in the wild with its flat, comfortable layout. Whether you sleep on your back, side, or stomach, this camping hammock keeps you cozy all night long. Like the larger Haven XL, the standard Haven tent can hold up to 285 pounds, 130 kilogram, but it's most comfortable for people under 180 pounds, 80 kilogram. The Haven tent hammock has a smart and practical interior. It includes 6 mesh pockets for storing small items like your phone or headlamp, and the high support poles are great for hanging wet clothes or socks to dry. Setting it up is simple. Just find 2 strong trees without loose branches, and use the easy daisy chain straps to hang your hammock securely. The Airstream Basecamp is a compact, modern travel trailer made for adventure lovers. It features a sleek aluminum design, a convertible dining and sleeping area, a kitchen, and a bathroom with a shower. It's lightweight, easy to tow, and built for off-road travel, making it perfect for solo travelers or couples. It's designed to offer comfort and freedom wherever the road takes you, while keeping the classic Airstream quality and style. Starting price: around $47,900. The Intech Flyer Discover is a tough and versatile camper trailer made for people who love outdoor adventures. Built with a strong, all-aluminum welded frame, it's durable yet lightweight and easy to tow. Inside, it offers plenty of space with flexible sleeping and storage options, making it great for camping, off-roading, or long road trips. It also includes lots of storage areas, a rear ramp door for easy loading, and optional off-grid features like solar panels. Comfortable and practical, the Flyer Discover lets you explore the outdoors with everything you need. Prices usually start around $23,000. The Movable Roots 28T trailer is a modern and versatile mobile home designed for comfortable living on the move. It is built with high-quality materials and smart storage solutions to make the most of the space. Inside, it has a spacious living area, fully equipped kitchen, bathroom, and sleeping quarters, providing all the comforts of a home. Its thoughtful design makes it perfect for long travels or downsizing, offering a stylish and practical option for modern nomadic living. These trailers generally cost around $80,000 and up. The Movable Roots trailer is easy to tow and set up, making travel stress-free. It is designed for durability and off-grid living, with reliable utilities and weather-resistant materials. The IO Camper is an innovative way to turn any van into a motorhome without changing the vehicle itself. It is a foldable, transportable apartment that can fit in different van sizes and expands up to 4 times its original size using a smartphone or Wi-Fi device. Once set up, it provides a comfortable living space for 4 to 5 people, including a double bed, kitchen with hot plate and fridge, bathroom with shower and toilet, and a dining table. There's also the IO Camper truck, which attaches to any dual cab pickup in 15 minutes, offering a similar setup. The starting price for the IO Camper is $26,000. The IO Camper is lightweight and portable, making it easy to store or move between vehicles. It includes smart automation, so setup and pack down are quick and hassle-free. Its design makes it perfect for off-grid camping or weekend adventures, giving full comfort without needing a permanent RV. The Hertz Venture S is a compact and versatile camper van designed for comfortable travel. Built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, it is strong yet easy to handle on highways and narrow roads. Inside, the layout makes the most of the space. A cozy sleeping area that can also be used as extra seating during the day. A kitchenette with essential appliances for easy meal preparation. Modern amenities like integrated heating and a fully equipped bathroom. Perfect for weekend trips or longer journeys, the Hertz Venture S gives travelers freedom, comfort, and a reliable way to explore. The Hertz Venture S is a compact and versatile camper van designed for comfortable travel. Built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis, it is strong yet easy to handle on highways and narrow roads. The KU Mobile Home is a smart and efficient home designed for comfortable living in any climate. These prefabricated steel units are made from high-quality, 100% recyclable materials. Each home comes with modern technology, including smart curtain controls, biometric access systems, underfloor heating, LED lighting. The interiors are inspired by luxury yachts, using premium materials for floors, walls, and ceilings. KU offers different models and color options, like the Autumn Edition or Winter Edition, so you can live comfortably all year round. These self-sufficient homes bring a new level of luxury living. The Kodiak Canvas Cabin Tent is a strong and comfortable camping tent designed for all kinds of weather. This 12 by 12 feet tent is made from durable Hydra Shield 100% cotton duck canvas, which is tough, breathable, and water-resistant. It comes with a zippered storage bag and heavy-duty 12-inch steel stakes. Setup requires 2 adults. The tall 7.5-foot peak height and nearly vertical walls give you plenty of room to stand and move around comfortably inside. Its sturdy galvanized steel frame can handle strong winds and even snow. A built-in stove jack lets you safely use a wood-burning stove to stay warm in cold weather, and when you're not using it, you can simply zip the cover closed. You can also add an optional 8 by 8 feet enclosed awning, sold separately, to expand your space by 44%, giving you a sheltered area for relaxing or storing extra gear. Nestbox Camper is the Australian distributor of the award-winning Egoa Nestbox. This product can turn your SUV, car, or van into a small home on wheels. Created by designers from the Czech Republic, the Egoa Nestbox makes it easy for anyone to enjoy outdoor adventures, whether you're camping in the forest, stargazing in the outback, or spending a day at the beach. The Nestbox has everything you need to make your trip feel like home. It's compatible with many types of vehicles and can be easily installed in the back of your car. When you're done traveling, you can remove and store it until your next adventure. The Pebble Flow is a modern electric travel trailer designed for people who love to explore in comfort. Its sleek, aerodynamic shape makes it 300% more efficient than traditional trailers, helping save energy and reduce drag while driving. Inside, it has a clean, modern design with large panoramic windows that offer a 270 degrees view, movable furniture, and smart storage spaces. You'll also find a kitchen that works indoors or outdoors, a bathroom with adjustable glass transparency, and a quiet climate control system that can be managed through the Pebble app. Other features include a ceiling panel that mimics the night sky and a powerful 45 kWh battery that allows it to stay off-grid for up to 7 days. You can pre-order the Pebble Flow Start, with deliveries expected by the end of 2024. A premium version, priced at around $125,000, includes more advanced automated features for an even easier travel experience. The Romato is a luxury travel trailer concept with a unique rotating cabin. When it's being towed or parked, the cabin stays neatly inside the outer shell. But with the press of a button, the cabin swings outward, increasing the living space by about 70%. Inside, the Romato includes several high-end features: a full kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and living area. The kitchen comes with stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. The living area has a comfortable sofa, a TV, and even a fireplace. The bathroom includes a walk-in shower, and the bedroom offers a queen-size bed with plenty of storage. Although it's still in the prototype stage, the Romato has already attracted lots of interest. The expected starting price is around $268,500. The Romato's rotating design makes it perfect for people who want a modern, stylish, and space-saving travel experience. Its futuristic look and smart engineering make it stand out from any traditional travel trailer on the market. The Cortez 17 Camper Adventurer is made for people who want comfort and long-lasting quality in their travels. This luxury travel trailer is built for all 4 seasons, thanks to its double hull with a honeycomb core, which means it doesn't use wood, carpet, or linoleum. It has strong molded fiberglass floors and a sleek design with no rivets, using only stainless steel fasteners for extra durability. For entertainment, it comes with a 19-inch smart LED TV, 2 speakers, and a digital media receiver made for marine use. Other features include a 190-watt solar system, electric jack, stabilizing system, tank heaters, electric brakes, and a timber axle-less suspension for smoother rides. You also get on-demand hot water, double-pane acrylic windows with built-in shades and screens, and an advanced greywater disposal system, all packed into a lightweight, 2,680-pound RV that's RVIA approved.